FaceShift is going to change the way we do facial animation. It makes facial motion capture affordable and really easy to use. To set up the mocap stage, just place the 3D camera on your desk and then face the sensor to train your personalized avatar. Now you're ready to start capturing your facial expressions and draw your virtual characters in real time. Recorded sequences are easily imported into your favorite 3D software package. You can edit and tune the animation and integrate it into your 3D scene. With FaceShift you can go from high-end rigs to very basic expressions and stream the data over very large distances. We've seen some great work being created with FaceShift, and we're looking forward to see what you're going to do with it.